My name is Kevin Mills. I'm the Principal Director for Renewable Energy Design and Installation Services, or REDIS for short. We're the developers for the Lasco 500 kilowatt PV storage project. We're the ones supplying and installing all the materials necessary for the successful operation of the solar system. So this system is the pilot project as a part of the Jamaica Resilience Energy Alliance, that's JERA, plan. So USAID is a part of this project, CADMOS is also a part of this project, UWI Mona is also a part of this project, and of course the customers, the client, which is Lasco. So in terms of the installation of the entire system, so the process obviously would be procurement first. So once we've completed the procurement process, which is procurement of materials, both locally and overseas materials, logistics, shipping of the materials, they got to the site, then we transported the materials to the roof. Once they got to the roof, then we started with the installation of the solar modules. So the racking system that will host the solar modules, then the solar modules. Then the next step from there is to execute the installation of the DC cables and DC wiring and cable trays. Once we're finished with that, then we get to the AC side of the stuff in terms of installing of the inverters. We have 9 inverters as a part of this system, 980 510 watt Trina solar modules, and one 500 kilowatt storage inverter. And those are the main components of the PV system. Of course, there's a battery storage as well, which is supplied by Eon. It's two 532 kilowatt hour battery banks. Okay, so making a total of 1 megawatt hour total storage. So as soon as the solar inverters are on site, we will install those in a designated solar inverter room, interconnect the system to the existing electrical network via the existing automatic transfer switch. Once we have interconnected, then of course we'll do our test before we actually officially commission the system. Once the system is commissioned, then we're fully operational and up for running. In terms of monitoring, we're using the Agito energy management system, which will take care of scheduling of power, and we'll have remote access to the monitoring system, alerts and alarms as necessary. And once that is done and operational, then we're pretty much good to go. Of course, the system was supplied and installed by REDIS, Renewable Energy Design and Installation Services. Energy you can depend on.